Good morning, I'm Met meteorologist Tyler Hextall here with the morning update for Saturday, December 31st, 2016. And currently we are taking a look at our infrared satellite imagery with the radar image overlaid. And we are seeing an extensive area of precipitation move over the southern states right now as we have a new low pressure system beginning to move in, which will deliver some heavy rainfall eventually throughout the day. And then up in the Midwest, we have a weak Alberta Clipper system that is producing some snowfall across the region that will eventually move into the eastern Great Lakes this afternoon. And also out west, we have another upper level disturbance that is currently pinwheeling itself through California, which will deliver some valley rain and also some mountain snow to some areas over there today. And looking at the current temperatures this morning, they are running a few degrees above average across portions of the eastern U.S., where we currently have a temperature around 37 in New York City, 37 in Chicago, and then also the morning temperatures are currently in the mid-40s to the lower 50s in the south. And as you head out west, some of the colder air is beginning to spill in, where morning temperatures around Seattle and Portland are right around the freezing mark, and also in the California, we are seeing some of the morning temperatures in the 40s. And this will be indicative of the weather that we're going to see throughout the day. We're going to have warmer temperatures across the east and colder air beginning to spill into the western states. And taking a look at our future radar, you can see that we're going to have an extensive area of rainfall that is going to be expanding in coverage and intensifying across the southeast today, where you could see rainfall amounts exceeding 1 to 3 inches across Louisiana and also in portions of Mississippi. And heading out west, we're going to see another disturbance working onto the Pacific Northwest that delivers some rain and snow showers here today, and even some snow showers pretty low in elevation, at least down to 2,000 feet across southwest Oregon by tonight. And then in California, another upper air disturbance will be working its way through, and so we'll start to see some rain across the Southern California basin, the Los Angeles basin, and also some snow showers across the San Bernardino Mountains, so watch out for some hazardous travel there. And lastly, the Alberta Clipper that was currently moving through Michigan this morning will be heading east and will be delivering some rain to portions of the western Great Lakes and also some snowfall across some of the higher terrain there. And here's a look at our projected high temperatures for today. And the warmest temperatures will certainly be found across the southern tier, where in Texas we're going to have highs in the 60s and 70s here. Around Dallas, we could reach a high in the mid-70s this afternoon. And also same for the peninsula of Florida, where many places will be in the mid-70s. And also, as we head over towards the northern tier, we'll start to have some colder air spill into the northern plains, where highs here will only be in the teens this afternoon. And as you head out west, you'll begin to see the colder air begin to spill into some of the cities on the Pacific Northwest, or even Seattle today could see some of their first snowflakes in over several decades for New Year's Eve today. So that will be something interesting to watch. And then as you head into coastal California, highs will only be in the 50s generally, which is running a few degrees below average. So generally speaking, some cooler weather towards the west and north, and some warmer weather across the south today. And many of you have New Year's Eve plans tonight, so just be sure to keep in mind that we are definitely expecting some heavy rainfall across the Gulf Coast states, where rainfall amounts could exceed 2 inches, especially across portions of Louisiana and Mississippi. And also, as you head in towards the Great Lakes region, we're expecting some rain and snow showers with a weaker disturbance moving in. So before you travel this evening, be sure to check road conditions, as some of the roadways could become slick. And even in the California, where we're having a weaker disturbance move in, we are going to expect some rain showers across the Bay Area and also parts of the LA Basin. And we'll even find some snow showers across the higher terrain at the San Bernardino Mountains. And I'm Tyler Hextall here with today's morning update. Thank you for listening, and I'll speak with you again next year.